and then you know what that means. People coming, they mighty God. Peter, Martin Sodendrom, and the kingdom reveals those who What? Trying to share with him. The IDP is sharing with him. Presently is exchanging deliveries, swearing at them. The representative of the executive government of the state, chief of staff, Dr. Gabriel, stating the presidential.
Come out to your face now. Smart me.
my first reaction about the overall flood in Nigeria now is that it's very sad. Because if you read the history of what is causing this flood, you know that it is something that the federal government of Nigeria should have been solved by now. Because this is not sudden, it's not something that is not foreseen or anything. I would say it's something that we have full knowledge that is going to happen, and something would have been done to mitigate this damage. Of course, what am I going to do? Like I said in my campaign, in our sub-campaign, let us go and see how we can have a sense of feeling, commiserate, sympathize with those who are affected. And that's what we're doing here. I've been to the ID camps, and now I came here personally to meet people who have lost everything like him. A woman who lost a husband and was thinking about burial, and look at it now. She's lost her home as well. So imagine what it is. So it's for all of us to see how we can help what we are going to do, especially the federal government. Because Benue State is already going through a very difficult situation with the ID camps and management, which I find very, very difficult that a state is left to manage that situation. Including this Nigerian situation, we need to start doing whatever is necessary to ensure that this flood menace does not occur again. The greatest asset of Nigeria is the vast uncultivated land in the north, which includes Benue State. And the first thing we need to deal with is the issue of agriculture. I have articulated how we can resuscitate aggressively the Bank of Industry, and they will fund everything. We need to get things to work as quickly as possible. Very sad, extremely sad. It shows that we are at war. Because even countries that are at war don't have that level of refugee camp. I can understand in some parts of Nigeria where it's the issue of terrorism, but in the issue of Benue State, I don't think that is the situation. And it is happening, and it's Benue State that is catering for it. It's a huge cost on a state like Benue State. And it's a huge loss on Nigeria, because these are people who should have been back to farm. These are people who have been producing the food we eat today. Because of which we have food inflation, which is impacting on our overall inflation. So there's a lot we need to do immediately. And like I said, if people like me have opportunity of serving, that situation will never occur anywhere in Nigeria.
You didn't just stand up there to look at it. You went right into the water. You went towards where people are affected. You have spoken to those who are affected by this flood. This shows that you are somebody who cares for the Nigerian masses. You have identified with them. You have identified with Benue State in our hour of need. On that, we wish to thank you, and thank you, and thank you, and wish that God bless you to achieve what you are out for. Thank you, and may God bless you.
We warmly welcome our board and also the Excellency. This is the condition under which you serve this and live it.